Hello, Bear2Bear auction participants. Thank you for deciding to attend our virtual event. I wanted to demonstrate for you how to register for a Givesmart account, which is the first step in being able to participate in the online auction. So you're going to want to open a new browser window on your computer and type in bear2bear.givesmart.com. That is this website right here, bear2bear.givesmart.com. Go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to take you to our Bear2Bear Benefit and Bash main page of our website. Then you're going to want to come right here and click register now. There will also be written instructions a little bit lower on this page on how to do this. So you click register now, and it's going to take you to the create an account. Just put in your first and last name, your cell phone number, an email address, your street address, and then it will automatically populate with a username. I would go ahead and change your username to something that is more user-friendly, something you can remember. The one they're going to give you is probably going to have a lot of random numbers at the end of it, so just change it to something that you can easily remember. Put in a password. I believe you have to do lowercase letters and at least one uppercase, at least one number, and at least one special character. So just do something you can remember. Write it down if you have to. Click right here, yes to terms and conditions, yes for text messages. You're just going to receive text messages about your bids and just any important event announcements, but primarily for bidding purposes. If you are outbid on an item, it'll notify you and kind of work through it that way. Then you go down here, click create my Givesmart account. It's going to pop up with something that says congratulations, and it's going to take you back to this main website, only now this will not be there anymore. And there will be some other options such as the items page in which you will bid on the items. So we're excited to have you join us. Remember, the auction starts on Wednesday, April 1st at noon, and it concludes on Friday, April 3rd at 9 p.m. Thank you. See you there.